Here we are in the morning. There's my snowman. We're in Thornton, Colorado. After the storm, as you can see, there's quite a bit of snow. We'll get to the point where it just blew against our house and didn't care. Yeah, look at that. Our doorway's fucking trash. Ice. It was blowing in pretty hard to nail the garage door like that. We'll come back over here and look at this side again. There's that lip. Oh yeah, I bet you see that in the background. There's that covered car. This window. Down the side. Look at that. That's all. Thornton, Colorado. After the storm. Look, I got a square car now. So does my wife. Both rounded cars. And then, of course, we always have someone that thinks they know what's better than the snow does. And then you get this. Yep. Know your car. Okay? Look at that car. Buried. Right? Yeah, of course, that truck over there is going to get out. But this car? Really? Come on. Use common sense when you're driving. Look at all this snow. This is since last night when I showed you guys last. Here you go. That's how much snow we got. There it is. Look at that. It's a lot. And yes, I probably will dive into that and lay down to see what happens. No, I won't be showing you a video of that, because that'll be funny for me. But, look at all that snow. And the sun's shining clear as day. There's that guy's house across the street, all buried in. He barely got out of his house. Take a look at this. Yeah, this guy, moron. Don't want to say that all out loud, but you know, he is goofy. Don't do goofy things. You get stuck. All the trucks in the neighborhood have left. Look at how high that snow line is. Till next time, have a good one.